Hello, my name is Julardo Satriawan, and now I want to show you how to make a diagram using matplotlib in Python. First, you must prepare the editor and the Python language and the package like matplotlib and the pandas and the data. First, in this I am using the in this I am using a Jupyter notebook for form for the editor. Why I using this because the Jupyter uh, is small and I can run this on the browser like a Chrome and Firefox. Uh, let's when you when you done prepare all of things, you can open the editor and create a new file on that on the directory that you want and install the library. Install the matplotlib and pandas in the library. Okay, when you have done, you we can we can let's we can start the code. In this, I am have some data is a year and the population, variable population. This data is can show you the population in the year in the every year. First, I want to show this data into the table. Okay, we can use the pandas for it because the pandas has a data frame which is can make a list to the table data like that. Okay, the syntax is we make a variable like data. We must make a dictionary variable for make a data frame table. Here we the first row, the first column, I call it year, and the value is the year in the list, like in the data. And then the second column is called population, and the value in is a data pop. And then we make a table using a pandas, like I have been saying before. We can call it df variable, and we can call the pd that frame, and we input the data. Let's start. Oh, I'm sorry. The first thing we must import library what we have installed before. Uh, this is pandas. Okay, you can print the data using the print in the app like that, and or you want to print the first 5 row, you can use that property, and when you want to print the last 5 row of data, you can using the tail property like this. Okay, using the data now looks like a table with the index number 0 until the end of the data. Okay, and now we must uh, we want to graphically the data into the diagram, and now we convert this data to the line chart. We must using the matplotlib library, and the first we must call the matplotlib. Then we must import it. We must import the matplotlib as a PLT. This name you can name it up to you, but now I'm name it PLT. As PLT. And then you can make a diagram like a line diagram with the syntax of PLT plot, and the first argument is the x is the horizontal value, and the second argument is the vertical value. Is the vertical. The first argument I using the year, and the second I using the population. And then you can show the diagram what we have made this, what we have been made with the code show with the method show in the matplotlib. I don't know this cannot show the diagram. Um, Now you can see the graph like this, and the data from the data, the graph like this. Okay. We can add the information in that part in the diagram. First, I want to name the x-axis and y-axis label. It can using the x label and y label in the matplotlib lab. Okay. First, I name the x-axis using x label, and the name is here, and the y-axis name as population, and you can run again. Okay. Now the diagram looks more informative than before. It can He has a year and population. He has name X and variable. And now I want to add some title on that. We can use the PLT title. Then the title is word population. Uh, the title was appear like that.